Hello, I'm Alvin. Welcome back to Tasty's Making It Big, the show where I make giant food for my friends and coworkers. Today, what I thought would be fun would be to make a giant bento box with lots of fun things inside. First, I'm gonna talk to my good friend Rie McClenny to explain what is a bento box, why is a bento box, and how is a bento box. Let's talk to Rie. Hi, Rie.
Hey, Alvin.
What is a bento box and what is the context behind bento?
Bento is essentially a meal in a box. You can bring it to school, you can bring it to office for lunch.
It's rice and a couple of small things that can last a while. They won't spoil, they won't go bad.
Exactly. Bento is meant to be eaten cold, so you want to season very well.
And what kinds of foods are usually inside a bento?
Rice, it's a must. My favorite is tamagoyaki and fried chicken. So it's the first season you made me a giant tamagoyaki. It's a Japanese omelette. It was my mom's favorite as well. When my mom was little, she requested tamagoyaki all the time. Her school teacher saw that and she warned her, if you only eat tamagoyaki every day, you will turn into chicken. And that made her very scared.
That's kind of messed up. That's like when my mom told me if you eat a watermelon seed, it'll grow into a watermelon. So you make sure you take out all the seeds. That's not true at all. What the heck, Mom?
That's not true.
One thing that I've seen in a couple of bento pictures is hot dogs that are cut in a way where they almost look like little octopuses.
People who make bento try to make it look very cute or like try to make it look like a character.
So I think I have all the information that I need. Thank you for teaching us about the world of bento.
I'm excited for you.
I'm scared. I have my work cut out for me, so I've invited my friend Inka, also a fellow BuzzFeed producer. We both make videos for About to Eat. Go check out the channel. There's a lot of fun stuff that we're making and going to make. So welcome back, Inka.
Thanks for having me, Alvin.
Yeah, Inka, I've heard that you've also made bento boxes and videos about bento boxes before. Can you tell me about that?
I have. So, okay, the last time I made one on a video was like 3 years ago. It was a ridiculously cute bento box.
You will be the expert. I will be moral support.
Nah, you'll do it with me. We'll do it together.
All right, we'll do it together. So to start, I'm going to be making the rolled egg omelet that Rie mentioned, and Inka is going to be making...
I'm gonna make an army of octo-weenies. Octo sausages, little octopi. Wow, they look like fingers. Half it like this. It's not obvious right now. It's gonna be obvious once it hits the water. We're gonna cook them alive. I mean boil them.
Oh my. While Inka is slowly assembling her army of octo-weenies, I'm going to be destroying an army of eggs for the tamagoyaki.
It's your army of eggs versus my army of sausages.
Why did this turn into a competition? This is a collaborative team effort.
Look at this. Fanning out the legs. Oh yeah.
Don't say that.
Okay. Oh, that sounds weird. Does that sound weird? Well, okay, well.
Inka, I have one egg left. And do you remember what we did in the ramen episode?
Eggy?
Eggy?
I feel like we should have Eggy Reborn.
Reincarnated. You know, Inka seems to be a little slow today. So while... I'm gonna get so much flack for that later. Tamagoyaki is usually seasoned with a couple of things. Wow, I just burped. Ooh, sorry you had to hear that. So soy sauce, some instant dashi powder, a good amount of sugar, which might sound weird, but is actually delicious. Salt, a little bit of water. Bloop. Now, because I am too lazy to whisk eggs, I'm gonna use an immersion blender and viciously turn them into one big egg. Damn. He's pissed.
Alvin, why don't I have an immersion blender shortcut? You should have hand whisked it.
Well, you know, let's just say I chose to do the eggs for a reason.
Oh, I knew it.
It looks like they're ready for war.
No.
Yeah. I have 2 silpat masks with a nonstick spray. Borrowing another technique from the 100 egg omelet video, I'm gonna bake these in sheets. In you go. Ooh, look at that. And I'm gonna slowly transfer these into the oven while Inka toils away on her weenie army. Another bento box item that I'm really excited about is the fried chicken, which is karaage. So instead of having little small chunks of fried chicken, we're making it big. So we're gonna use the whole chicken thigh. For the marinade, I have soy sauce, some garlic, ginger. Oh, this smells so good. Sake, 1 egg, sugar. Just gonna mix this all up.
Whoa! All right, this is a little hot, but look at that. Ooh, it's coming together.
Inka, do you like karaage?
What?
What are you doing back there?
Just grabbing some of my special tools.
Ooh, marinade is looking pretty good. And I think what makes the signature coating is potato starch. I love frying with potato starch. It just has this really nice, crisp, like rugged texture. I have really hot oil here. I have the chicken. It's only one thing left to do. Ooh, all right. Oh, it's getting hot. Ooh, look at this color. It's getting so beautiful. Dude, look at this fried chicken.
Ooh, boy.
Oh,
That
man.
does look good.
All right, first batch is ready to come out, I think. Look at that. I'm actually gonna double fry these because these thighs are big, and as they rest, they're also really juicy, so some of the juices start to come out. I think double frying helps get rid of that water and makes it extra crispy.
Alrighty, they've been in here for a while. Look at this one. Look at it.
Ooh.
A beauty. Well, I'm gonna keep cooking these, but
Keep cooking these butts?
no! I
Oh.
have to keep cooking these. What? Bye, Eggy. Eggy reborn. I'm gonna put on the fancy eyes. Remember the ones from my video?
Yes, those look really good.
Ooh! You know, I'm on a big show making some really tiny stuff right now, Alvin. You see? Can you see it? Can you see the eyes? Ready? Angry Octo Weenie. Our 2 different kinds today. Wow.
The premium on the right.
Hey, don't hate. This is how I feel on.
Me too.
This is me after makeup.
Vegetables are very important for bento boxes, so I think you're going to handle the more delicate work because you are more artistic.
Or maybe you just don't want to do the work.
That's actually the reason why I really don't want to handle vegetables. So I'm gonna roll my egg omelet now. You go ahead and you do you.
I'm not gonna cook the tomatoes, but I'm just gonna blanch the carrots and I'll slice them up. So then it'll also make it easier for me to cut them. Ooh,
Is everything okay over there?
you know, they're just a little raw, but
Those are massive carrots.
I
Oh
know
my
they're
God.
huge. I haven't cooked with carrots this big in a long time.
Just trying to loosen up the egg from its little mat over here. This is a time-tested technique. Roll this little break is fine. You keep it nice and tight. Now this is going to go over here. Ooh, no snack. Oh, it's good.
I'm hungry.
I'll give you a snack.
It's very sweet. I like it. Sweet and savory. I'm gonna stamp these out. I'm gonna go with this big cookie cutter. Ooh, it looks like a heart. Nice.
Okay, here we go. Keep the wrap nice and tight. That's the most important thing. Oosh, look at that. Just roll it up, roll it up. It's a big egg baby.
Big boy, yeah.
Eggy XL.
Broccoli's good. Looking greener than ever. I have Eggy here. Beautiful baby smooth skin. We love it. I'm going to give him a face. I have a bear stamp out here. I'm gonna use it to give me a smile, so.
That sounded nice.
Okay,
Oh, I love that.
wait, cheeks. Oh, yay! It looks so cute on camera, oh my God.
Okay, so one of the most important things about bentos is rice.
Yes.
We are going to make rice bears. This is 3 entire bags. I don't know what that means, but
Entire bags?
it's a lot of rice.
So 1 big head and then 2 ears.
That sounds like a plan.
Gosh, it's like building a snowball.
Oh yeah, don't throw it at me.
This is not sticking together as much as I was hoping it would.
Oh, smart.
No, I don't know what I'm doing. Don't call me smart. I don't know what I'm doing. Squish it! Squish it!
Compress. Ugh. I hope this works. Oh. Yeah, they didn't come out the way I wanted it to. You know, it's okay. What are you doing? Is that how you feel?
Help! You know, honestly,
Yeah.
not bad.
No, what the heck?
What?
That's not a bear. That is Mickey Mouse.
Excuse me? That is a bear.
I just want to make sure you're happy with what you're putting out. That's all.
I just destroyed it. No, you Why is the camera getting a close-up of this? Oh, my arms are burning. Looks a little bit like a Joker bear right now.
Joker bear?
It's too big of a
Oh
smile.
my god. I'm going to make a small face on a big bear. I don't know how this is gonna look, but let's get the ears. I love it. Oh my god, wait, I love this.
I can't. All right, well, we have created 2 monstrosities.
Our wonderful art team in LA made a giant bento box. So now it's time to assemble.
How are we gonna do this, Alvin?
We can take turns because this is a very big box. Would you like to put in the weenies and the chicken?
Sure.
All right, all you.
Oh, right now? Well, thanks for having me here again. Welcome to my show, Making It Big. Oh.
Careful. You worked hard on
Okay,
those
well, I'll just put these weenies in now, like this. As you can see, some of these little octo weenies have like very cute mouths. Little O-shaped mouth and a little leaf hat. Looks like a Pokemon almost. Thank you to the culinary team, honestly. They added some spice. This is a lot of babies right here.
Babies? I thought we were in the army.
I mean, it's an army of babies.
Ooh!
I'm not even halfway there yet. Wow. Oh no, he just flopped.
I don't know what's happening. I just heard heavy breathing.
I'm trying to pick it up. Okay, this is gonna be a pile of chicken. Who doesn't like that, right? Oh, it looks so good.
I'm gonna do the egg now. All right, let's do big slices.
That's very satisfying.
Right? Ooh, it's gonna get a little messy. Its placement is a little finicky. I think that's why they don't make tamagoyaki this big.
Yeah.
I think that's the best I'm gonna be able to get it. I think it tastes good. It's just very tender.
Hey, they don't look bad.
Thanks.
Alvin's worried for no reason. All right, I have been given this spatula. Look, here's the deal. This is a big guy, and gosh, Alvin, I really hope I can do this.
Me too.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I can't lift it. Okay, all right, I'm gonna do it. Holy shh. It's a kid's show. Holy moly, crowly, molies. All right, hey, no, I think I got it.
Yeah?
He's at home.
Okay, my turn.
I did it.
Oh boy.
Let me tell you, it's not easy.
I'm gonna put the ears on later. Oh.
Oh, he's sturdy.
He is a thick, sturdy bear.
The arm shake.
I'm shaking. How are his ears gonna fit? All right.
Yeah, there you go.
Let's get one of your ears on, little buddy. Oh, that's a little high. That's fine.
There you go.
Yeah.
All right, some tomatoes at the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ooh, wow. We did it. Wow, I'm so glad you came today. I don't think I could have envisioned a better box.
I know, I'm pretty proud of us.
It is probably 50 pounds.
We done did good. Yay!
Inka, would you like a plate?
Yes, please. That's a huge plate.
This is the only plate we have.
Oh.
This is the making
But
a
of
big
course.
set.
Oh, no. Cheers.
Yeah. It tastes like a hot dog.
It's like a hot dog. Oh. Oh my God. It's so tender.
Yeah.
And that potato starch coating. Oh my God. Woo. We did it, Alvin.
We did it. Great job.
This looks so good. Truly, I'm so happy.
This looks way better than what I had imagined. And I knew it was gonna look good because you were here. So I'm glad we are very hungry and we like what we made.
Exactly. We just made like 50 bento boxes. No big deal.
100%, yeah. So if you'll excuse us, we're gonna take some time alone. Bye.
Bye.